What is up, guys? Welcome back. In today's video we're going to be modeling our third cap, which is going to be a fedora. So as you guys remember, we did the match cat first and the baseball cap second. The third item I'm gonna make is the fedora and might make a fourth one. Then I can give you a few ideas on what you can do with these props. What I like to do is basically I make a set, like this one's going to be hats, then I could be making a set of knives, a set of swords, or a set of guns. What I do is that I place them out on the 3D market for a minor, like a price of $5 or $10 max, and I give out the texture files with them so people can buy these, but usually they are not gonna sell that well, because right now you've got portals like CG Trader and Turbo Squid, but new people that come out and place their models there don't get enough model traction. So I don't know how the algorithm works, but it's really shit. The other thing I can recommend is that you place it out on the asset store in Unity. Maybe your luck might work better. Or the third thing is that I'd recommend you make props that are high in demand. These ones that I'm making are for your practice, like so you can learn a few tips and tricks on how to make better props. But yeah, so anyways, let's get back into the video. I'm gonna hide these two. Let's take a poly cylinder this time, go into the inputs, change the subdivision axis from 20 to 8, pull this up, scale it down, press Ctrl 1 to isolate whatever's selected over here, grab the bottom vertex, press Ctrl right click on your mouse, go to faces and delete. Okay, don't need the bottom faces. Select all of these, Ctrl B to bevel, fraction to 0.1, and let's turn off symmetry because we need to scale this inward. If symmetry is turned on, you can see that the pivot moves to the side and the scale is not uniform. So that's why I like to turn that off. Move that inward and select all the top faces and scale that in y-axis to balance them out. Okay, let's grab these edges, press Ctrl backspace to delete them. Grab the edge, Ctrl E to extrude, grab this blue line, yeah, just like that. Shift right click to open this shortcut menu in edge mode. Remember, this only opens up in edge mode. I'm in edge mode right now. If I go into vertex mode and press shift right click, this will be a different menu. So if I am in edge mode and then I do shift right click, this is what opens. Okay, so insert edge loop tool, one edge here, one here, and one here to balance everything out. Okay, going back to turn on symmetry again, going to move these up. create the feeling of a fedora hat. Going to move these inward. You can press 3 to enable this soft preview. So since we're going to be subdividing it once, you can take a general idea of what it's gonna look like when it's subdivided. Let's grab the top parts, enable soft selection, bring them down like this. Not a lot, just, yeah. Grab these parts here, turn off soft selection. For getting that feel that this is indeed a fedora. Okay, so we have the basic structure ready. Going to quickly select these faces. Right now I'm in face mode, so if I press Shift Control, I'll have a different menu, and I'm going to duplicate these faces. So these are the ones. Going to delete history on this and this. Center pivot both of them. Press Shift P to bring them outside of this group that's automatically formed when you duplicate. Don't need that group. Just need this part. Press Ctrl E to extrude it out a bit, and that's how we'll have this nice ribbonly thing going on around our fedora hat. So for both of these, you can see right now it's looking pretty nice. I'd say this could use a bit more depth. So just grab the internal faces, bring them in, and yeah, that does it pretty well. Okay, last thing we need to do is we isolate only this, smooth it out once, let's Control E on our keyboard to extrude it, give it a bit of depth. Go inside over here and grab these faces, delete them, delete these as well. Since the inside is not going to be shown, those are useless polygons and we don't need them. Selecting this edge here, just gonna give it a bit of a soft touch. So our Fedora is pretty much done, I'd say. The only thing left is to UV unwrap and texture this. So it's not really a process that's different from what we've been doing for the other hats. So I'll do that in the next video.